How to install an option on the XL3 Acoustic Analyzer. Go to myNTIaudio.com and log in. Or, if you are new to the platform, please create an account. Once you are logged in, register your XL3 on the My Products page by selecting XL3 Analyzer from the drop-down list. Enter the serial number of your device. And confirm it by clicking on Register. To activate your purchased option, click on the Get Options link next to your newly registered XL3 Acoustic Analyzer. A field is now visible where the license number can be entered. Confirm it by clicking on the Get Activation Key button. Switch to your XL3 device and open the menu by clicking on the hamburger icon in the upper left corner. Open the Settings and select the Installed Options menu item. All possible options that can be purchased are shown as faded. Make sure that your device is connected to the internet and click Update. The new option is now installed on your XL3 and is displayed unfaded on the page.